Okay, what we have here is a 2011 Cruze sedan LS. It's got 25,278 kilometers on it. It's got a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine that will give you 136 horsepower. This car is a front wheel drive. Just want to take you into the back seating area here. You've got this really nice two-tone cloth interior. It comes with this executive style seating. You can just pop that down and that will fit your Tim Hortons double-double. Come across to the back. You can see the nice chrome badging, the really good stance this car has. Take you across to the side and into the cockpit, where you've got the cloth interior again. This has a automatic manual mode where you can control the gears, and it also has futuristic style knobs and buttons for your console. Please come and see me anytime for a test drive. It's Adrian Scott at NewRoads in Newmarket.